Imagine earning money in your sleep, using only AI. No coding, no product, no camera, just ChatGPT. Hey, I'm a former Wall Street investor and founder of Make Millions, where I show you how to build real wealth. Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful ways to turn ChatGPT into your personal income machine. Let's dive in. First up, freelance copywriting. You can offer copywriting services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. ChatGPT helps you generate SEO-optimized blog posts, ad copy, and even email sequences in seconds. For example, type this prompt: write a high-converting email for a skincare product launch targeting women over 40. ChatGPT delivers a polished result ready to send. Pro tip: charge $25 to $100 per task. Just 1 hour a day, and you could be looking at $100 daily. Next, niche affiliate blogs. Start a blog targeting a specific niche like fitness gear or pet toys. Use ChatGPT to write reviews, tutorials, and listicles. Try a prompt like, write a blog post titled, Top 5 Dumbbells for Home Workouts in 2025. Monetize by inserting affiliate links from Amazon Associates or share a sale. One well-ranked post can generate passive income for months. Third, digital product creation. Use ChatGPT to help you create ebooks, planners, or even mini-courses. For example, prompt create a 10-page ebook outline on budgeting for teens. Expand each section using ChatGPT, package it in Canva, and you're good to go. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own Shopify store. Set it up once and earn forever. Fourth, automated YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up. Use ChatGPT to script videos, pair with stock footage and text-to-speech tools. Great niches include finance, luxury lifestyle, or scary stories. One channel with daily uploads can generate thousands monthly. Bonus tip: repurpose that same content into blog posts and TikToks using AI. Finally, AI chatbot business. Build and sell custom chatbots for local businesses. ChatGPT can handle FAQs, bookings, and lead generation. Use platforms like ManyChat or Tidio and charge businesses $200 to $500 a month for a chatbot you build in a day. Start small. Pick one method. Let ChatGPT cut the work by 80%. Reinvest your profits to scale and watch your income grow. Hit like, subscribe, and check the description for tools to get started. Turn AI into your money-making machine today.